Hello everyone, welcome back to Crazy Nails. So, do you remember these poppy, pastely, beautiful summer shades? I got these ones from Rosalind and I posted a review about them. I hope you have watched it. So, if you guys loved all these beautiful summery colors, I'm back with a few more. Yes, but this time they are not very summery but party kind of shades. I got two sets of the nail polishes from Rosalind. This one is the purple range, in which there are dark purple, light purple and different kinds of purple glitters. Then I got this, I call it July 4th kind of set, because it has like all the colors that are available in American flag. But yeah, I really love these colors and I wanted to try them, so I got this one as well. In this one there is white, chunky blue glitters, fine blue glitters, colorful holographic kind of chunky glitters, red glitter and a basic beautiful red color. So I hope you're going to enjoy this review. So watch all the swatches and the review. Watch it till the end. So I will start with the purple shades. Here's my swatch stack, swatch wheel. So this shade is called C011 and this is a purple shade, dark purple shade, which can kind of look black under certain lighting. You can see this is a lovely color. Then this is the light purple color. It's kind of lavender color and this is C007. I will show you all the swatches. This shade is C031 and this one is C030. Okay, so let's swatch them. So we are beginning with the C011 shade. So pigmented and it almost looks black under certain light. So if you're going to go for like 2 coats of it, it would indeed look black. See, and I can see it has a few, it's kind of pearly in color. Yeah, this pearliness was not visible under natural light, but yes, it has these pearly effect in it and I really love it. It would be a perfect party color, but see, now it looks like black. Let's move on to the next color. The next one is C007. So this is a beautiful looking lavender kind of shade. I really like the color. Glides beautifully and the texture is very nice. Sorry, I got a streak in it. Let me fix it. Yes, it's a beautiful purple color. Very nice, very lovely. We got a similar color in the previous collection as well, in the summer shade, this one. You can see both of these are slightly similar, but this is on a lighter tone and this is a slightly darker shade, but really pretty. Let's move on to the next one. So the next one is C030 shade. It's a holographic holo, beautiful purple shade and it looks amazing. Let me show you in flash. Oh, this is so beautiful. I bet that it would be perfect for a party or evening or wedding look when you want lovely jazzy nails. You can see the base is purple, jelly purple kind of color, and it is a mix of purple, silver and holographic glitters. See, it's really pretty. You can see it's very holographic and very beautiful. Even in natural light it looks really lovely. So beautiful. I'm going to love them on my nails. Time for the next one, C031. This one is also a very holographic color, very colorful glitters in it, but it's a darker purple color. In flash it looks like this. So pretty. I really love these two colors. They're so shiny. Let's swatch them. Ooh. I really like this one. It glides beautifully. The formula is nice and the pigmentation is also good. So you will need, I think, 2 coats of it and the color would just pop on your nails. This is the true color. This is how it's going to look. You can see the difference between these two. Here, the first one, the base is light purple, and in this one, the base is darker shade of, kind of aubergine or brinjal kind of color. It's really beautiful. The glitters are also lovely. It has darker glitters in the formula and just shines so lovely. It's so pretty. I really like this one. So enough about the purple ones. Let's move on to the whites, blues and the reds. Yes. So in this set there are 6 colors and you will get all these colors. You can buy them in individual bottles as well, and they are available in sets and combos. Like you can buy 2 nail polishes together in the available set, but I got the 6 one and the other one was the 4 nail polish set. Let's start with the white. So the shade name is C001 and it is a beautiful milky white color. You can see. People often don't buy white nail polishes in gel colors, but I love to buy them because you can use them for base, you can use them for those neon powders. So in this shade you will need a couple of coats to get the perfect color. It looks beautiful though. The next one is C026. This one is a multicolor chunky glitter nail polish. It's a clear one. The base is clear, but it has like a lot of chunky glitters. On the packaging they have shown like pink and green combination glitters, but over here I see only, okay, yeah, there are pinkish tones as well. Let's try them on nail. Sometimes you cannot tell a nail polish how it looks unless until you have tried it on the nail. Oh, this is beautiful. So these are like, those dual chrome kind of glitters in which sometimes they look green, sometimes they look pink. It has like dual tones, but it's really pretty. Without flash, you can see they change color, but this is beautiful. You can use it over a clear base, or the base is clear, so you can use it as a topper over a black nail polish like this dark one, the dark purple color one. You can apply it over on that one, you can apply it over on the purple one. I'm sure it's going to look lovely on every color. There are small glitter particles and there are chunky hexagonal kind of particles. So it's beautiful. It's a perfect topper. Next one is this blue one, chunky glitter one. This is C039. It's really beautiful. It's kind of turquoise in shade. The glitters are kind of turquoise in shade. The base seems a little clear jelly color, but I think it's turquoise in color as well. There's a mix of, you know, chunky holographic glitters as well as silver glitters in this one. All these nail polishes are so beautiful. Ooh, looks so amazing. So about glitter nail polishes, they often, you know, the glitter is not as pretty as it looks in the bottle. You know, when you apply it on the nails, the glitter doesn't lie flat on the nail, but these ones you can see they lie very flat on the nail, and they look really pretty. In the normal light, it looks like kind of this. So the base is very slightly bluish, turquoise bluish in the color. So if you use like 2 coats, I think it's going to show the color, but here it's not showing it as much. The glitter particles are not silver, they are blue in color. Yeah, the glitter particles are blue in color, and they have this holographic kind of, you know, glitter to it. Really beautiful. This one as a topper as well, over a blue nail polish or over a white nail polish, it would look beautiful. Let's move on to the next one. This is C034. It's a cobalt blue color with shimmer in it. Very beautiful, very classy. Let's try it. Ooh. This is a beautiful color. Very cobalt bluey vibe here. So this is under flash. It's really pretty. Reminds me of a midnight sky with stars in it. And this is how it looks under natural light. It's really pretty. Very metallic vibe here. The next one is C035. This is a red glitter nail polish. So the base coat is a jelly kind of red, and it has like a lot of red glitters in it. It's quite similar to this blue one. Let's try. Yeah, the base is jelly red in color, jelly texture in it, and the glitters, yeah, red glitters all over it. Okay, it's not as pretty as these other ones, but yeah, I really hope that it has holographic effect over them, but they are just shiny red glitter in it. It's not as shiny as these other ones, like they are so shiny. This is like straight red in color, straight red glitter. I don't like this color. Let's move on. The last one, it's C010. So as I told you before, it's a classic red, basic classic red. So yeah, you can use that glitter as a topper over this one. Let's do it. It's a beautiful classic red with blue undertones in it. I have a lipstick matching to this color. I'll wear it. So you can see it's a beautiful red color. Red color never goes wrong. Yes. So these are all the colors. They are really beautiful, very shiny, very glittery, very party kind of vibe they have. My favorite ones are these purple ones. These two purple ones, I really love them, and I really like this topper as well, the chunky glittery topper. And even this blue is also nice, but these purple ones are my favorite, and the least favorite is this red glitter one. I also love this nice sparkly blue color. This is also beautiful. Overall they have like nice colors, so if you are confused like which color should I go with, which color should I buy, you can go with these sets as well. And if you talk about the packaging is these bottles are like very classic. These bottles are black in color, as most of the gel nail polishes are, and they have like all the details over here. Like this is a low odor, free of harmful substances, good adhesion, bright color, stays in the nails for up to 30 days. Okay, I'm not sure about that, but yeah, it lasts for like quite long, and no damage after removal. I agree with that. I have tried them on my nail, and I mostly changed my color within a few days, so I'm not sure about the 30 days claim. If you have tried it, if you have experienced it for 30 days, do let me know. Main ingredients are water, toner and resin, so they haven't mentioned like all the ingredients as well. This is a recyclable bottle. It's plastic, by the way. This is a plastic bottle, but it's a very sturdy plastic bottle, so if you are like me who usually drop their bottle and they break them, like I broke one yesterday, a beautiful black color. I broke it. It accidentally fell and it broke into pieces. It was a very new bottle. I was trying it for the first time and I just dropped it and it shattered into pieces. But yeah, if you're like that, then I'm sure this is going to last for like long. If you're clumsy like me, then the plastic bottle is very nice. So these are all the colors that I got from Rosalind, and they are very beautiful colors, very lovely colors. The purple shade, definitely a must buy. The purple ones are a must buy for you. Do try them, and always have a classic white as well. Okay, so these are my favorite shades. These are my okay shades, and this one is my least favorite shade. Yeah, so thank you for watching. I hope you loved this video, and I hope you're going to subscribe and comment if you loved any of them. If you want more information about them, do let me know. The links are in the description, so do try them. And thank you for watching. Bye.